Hello everybody, good morning. My name is Shruti Gangurde, Institute name Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic. Today the topic of my presentation is all about earthing. Now, first we will see the what is earthing. What is earthing? Earthing is used to protect us from an electrical shock. It does this by providing a path for a fault current to flow to earth. It is also causes the protective device to switch off the electric current to the circuit that has the fault by help of us. Objectives of earthing ensure that all exposed conductive parts do not reach a dangerous potential. Provide an alternative path for the fault current to flow so that it will not the user from electrical shock. To protect the building, machinery and appliances from short circuit. Earth. The proper condition electrical installation system conductor where conductor to the word plate in the earth. When electrical device appliances is connected to the earth electrode. Example plates, rod, wires and pipes. Earth electrode when a conductor or conductive plate. Word in the earth for electrical earthing system. Now next, here you can see the diagram of the earthing system. Here electrode, earth wiring. So let us see. Conventional earthing. The conventional earthing system calls for a design of a large pit into which a GI pipe or a copper plate posed into the middle layers to charcoal and salt. It requires maintenance and pouring of water at regular interval. Figure conventional of earthing. Now next is here the figure of conventional earthing. Okay. Now next is method of conventional earthing, or either you can say types of conventional earthing, which types of we are using. So first is plate earthing. In this type of earthing, plate either of copper or of GI is burned into the ground at a depth of not less than 3 meters from the ground level. The earth plate is embedded in alternative layers of coke and salts for a minimum thickness of about 15 centimeter. The earth wire means copper wire for copper plate earthing and GI wire for GI plate earthing. Is seriously bolted to an earth plate with the help of bolt nut and made of copper in case of copper plate earthing and GI. Here you can see the photos of plate earthing. So let us go with next slide. Wait a minute. Now next is earthing electrode. The resistance of a ground electrode has three basic components. First, A. The resistance of the ground electrode itself and the connections to the electrode. B. The contact resistance of the surrounding earth to the electrode. C. The resistance of the surrounding body of earth around the ground electrode it consists of three basic components. First is earth wire, second is sorry second is electrode, and third is a connector. Now here you can see the earthing electrode. There is some photo. Now next is pipe earthing. Pipe earthing is based from of earthing. It is a tank. In this system of earthing, a GI pipe of 38 mm and 2 meter length is embedded vertically in ground to work, but the wire is embedded up to the wet soil. The earth wire are fastened to the top section of the pipe with nut and bolts. The pit area around the GI pipe filled with salt and coal alternate layers. If can take heavy leakage current from the same electrode size in comparison to plate earthing. In summary session, to have an effective earthing, 3 or 4 bucket of water input through the fuel for better continuity of earthing. Now here you can see the diagram of pipe or road earthing. There is a can. So now next is our last topic is applications. Point is application. Telecommunications. Point applications. First is telecommunications, transmission, substations and power generation. Transformer, natural earthing, lighting, arrestor earthing, equipment body earthing, water treatment plate, heavy industries, college, hospitals, bank, residential. So thank you so much for listening my presentation. Thank you.